I arrived at this call Friday right around 5 p.m. Last call of the day on my way home. What could go wrong? When I didn't have to drill the set screw out of the handle and the bonnet nut came right off, I knew I was home free, and I thought to myself, dang, the plumbing gods really blessed me today. I said a silent prayer for all the plumbers out there that the plumbing gods were tormenting today. And that's when this shit happened. And that's why you gotta stay humble, bro, because the plumbing gods, they're always watching. And let me tell you something, the moment you get a little too cocky, the moment you start thinking you're the greatest plumber on earth, you're God's gift to plumbing, like you make no mistakes, like some of these guys in the comment sections, the plumbing gods are gonna humble your ass. And take it from me, one thing I learned is it's better to be humble than get humbled. The plumbing gods have no mercy. We're all in this together. We should be trying to lift each other up, not break each other down. And that's why I always say, lube those O-rings, boys. Lube them up good. That way the cartridge lasts, and it's easier for the next guy to pull out. You may be that next guy. If you're good, you will be.